Watch me price a building job worth 150,000 in just under 3 minutes. And this app is really cool. On this screen, you upload your company logo, your information, click continue. Here we will just upload a plan. I have one ready. You can just use whichever building plans you have. You just enter a room, a reference room. In this example, I'm just using bedroom 1 of my plan, and that's it. We are live. That took me all of 30 seconds to do. So now the AI is doing the analysis. This takes about 2 minutes in total. And once it's done, just watch the magic happen. If you're in the building trade, believe me, you need this app. It's life-changing. It saves hours and hours of work. You get a full material shopping list. You get a 70-page spreadsheet. You get your own logo and your own letter-headed, what do they call it, cover letter. You get method statements for all of the trades, and you get a 12-page contract, all done in just 3 minutes. So no more hanging around waiting for suppliers to come back to you for pricing jobs, for your materials. Your customers don't need to wait weeks and weeks and weeks. Your work that normally would take you 8 hours is done in just 3 minutes. Yeah, of course you can go through it, check it, and you can edit it. If the dimensions are slightly out, go and verify them. But this will just save you so much time. I don't see how there is possibly going to be a better way than what this does for you guys. It's just absolutely out of this world, and I really, really recommend that you try it out. The Pro version will be coming out in a couple of months' time, and that one will be able to do more complex projects, like, for example, basement conversions, loft conversions. This one covers HMOs and new build projects. It will price everything up in 3 minutes, done. It doesn't hang around. So we're just in 2 minutes in now, and it's just finishing the analysis. It's done. Now I'm just going to enter my customer details. I'll just make something up here. All done. I've just entered the details, a phone number, email address, and project reference, HMO renovation. Now this project was a project that had 16 rooms, all analyzed, done and dusted. Now I just got to go to my, select my plan, unlock my quote. My quote is now unlocked. It will ask me about if I have Excel. I do. Here's my Excel sheet just being generated and done. So this Excel sheet, the only thing that slows is my PC, not the software. It's just uploading. Okay, here we go. Enable editing. So now I've got my spreadsheet in editable mode, and we have a project total of 138,247.78. And as a builder, if I think I would like, it's telling me that I would make about just under 20 grand. If I want to make a little bit more, I'll increase this section here to 25%. So now I make 24,000. If I want to make it less, I can go to 15%. I'll make 14,000. It gives me a rooms cost breakdown, labor and materials. It gives me a rooms breakdown of every single trade that's needed to be done, everything that needs to be done in every room, all done for me. It gives me a quote summary. It gives me a material shopping list, which is gold. I mean, how many times do you think, how long is it going to take me to make a material shopping list? Here you go: plastering, plasterboarding, decorating, flooring, tiling, electrical first fix, electrical second fix, plumbing first fix, plumbing second fix, carpentry, heating. It works out all the BTUs of every room, done. Strip out, how many skips I'm going to need. It's estimated I'm going to need 16 skips for the project. Tells me about how many fire doors I'm going to need. It tells me about my staircase, the spindles, handrails, risers. It's got everything in there. Stud partition materials, metal studs. Tells me how many I'm going to need. how much track I'm going to need, acoustic insulation, partition screws, metal frame ceilings, all the materials done, right? And it gets even better than this. Say, for example, the AI has analyzed the room and you want to just verify the measurements. And I'm going to exaggerate this slightly. But say, for example, the living room dimension is not 7.14, it's actually 7.45. So let's just quickly go to the builder's quote and remember this number, 132487. So I go back to rooms input, change this to, let's just say, for example, it's 8 meters. Go back, the builder's quote is reflected. Everything's done. Materials shopping list, updated. It's just fantastic. Every single thing gets done within seconds. If I'm not happy with that price, again, I can just say I want to go up to 30%, tells me I'm going to make 28,900 on this project. Now, it doesn't get much better than this. Check out the full demo in the next video. Click the link below.